Want to get many free black items?
Yes.
Then you are at the right place. In this video, I'm going to guide you to get more than 20 free black items. But before that, shout out to my new subscribers. No more yapping, let's dive in. Starting off, join this game and go to the island. Here, go to this big demon and take the quest. You have to complete Decay Agility for the free item. Let's start grinding. Once you are done, go back to the demon to claim the free item. There you go, a sick black cape waiting in your inventory. This is the black cape that many of you guys don't know that it can be obtained for free. Next up on our list is Roblox Innovation Awards 2023. As soon as you join, a free item is awarded to you. But wait, there are 3 more items you can get here. For the next item, go to this big Roblox logo for a photo. Voila, one more straight to your inventory. For the third item, watch me carefully as you have to find the for Roblox logos. Look what we got, there's one last item left in this game. For that, just leave and rejoin and that's it. These are the free nice looking items which you will get from that game. Next, join 8th Annual Bloxy Award. As soon as you join, you will get this badge, which means one item already into your inventory. Once you spawn in the lobby, go to the shop and get all the free item. Now go to the top here and go to vending machine and get this free item badge. Now for the last item, you need to complete the scavenger hunt. Watch me to know all the locations in the map. And there you go, boys. These are all the free items which you will get from this game.